So, sinagot ka na niya.
Yes!
Ngayon, iniisip mo,
Paano kaya ako magiging mabuting boyfriend sa kanya?
from a woman's perspective, eto ang mga masasuggest ko sa'yo. Number 1, take note of the things that calm her. Kaming mga babae, we are yearning for a safe haven after a tense situation. We would appreciate if ma-offer niyo sa amin yon. Saka, it would entail na attentive pala kayo sa needs namin. Number 2, i-soft launch mo siya. Post something about her on your social media account. Pwedeng part lang ng body niya, gamit niya, or shared quote lang about her. Hindi naman to kailangan gawing everyday, lalo na kung hindi ka naman talaga pala post. We just wanted to be shown up every once in a while. Number 3, do something exclusively for her. Be it cooking her favorite meal, writing her a poem, or curating her Spotify playlist. The goal is to make her feel special, that she's your only one. Give her the girlfriend privilege. The fact na you're asking on how to be a good boyfriend means that you're already a good boyfriend. Kaya, whoever your girlfriend is, she is blessed to have you.